Multicultural, multilinguistic, multi-religious, India is one of the oldest countries of the world with its mention in the Holy Bible in the book of Esther. Also, the second most populated country of the world, India is set to become the most populated country of the world by 2030. Fast becoming modern and growing economically, India still struggles with its ancient thinking of treating the girl child as a burden due to the practice of dowry, in which the girl's parents have to give a lot of money and jewelry in order to get her married. This is why, even today, the birth of a girl child is big time bad news in most Indian families. With scientific and technological advancement, the practice of killing the baby girl or neglecting her so she dies is fast giving way to killing the female fetus in the womb. There is a sharp increase in the decline of girls, and according to one survey, 19 million fetuses have already been aborted in the last 20 years. The sex ratio is sharply skewed to 1,000 boys being born to 914 girls, and in many areas of North India, there are only 830 girls being born to 1,000 boys. The consequences are dangerous, as the lack of girls for men to marry is leading to trafficking of girls, kidnappings, raping, and purchasing of brides from the poorer areas of India. So much so that even small girls are being raped, thus making India one of the most dangerous places for a girl to be born. In the midst of this scenario, Disha Foundation, a registered non-profit with the Government of India, is engaged in encouraging and empowering the weaker sections of our society, especially the girls and women. Educating the girl children and keeping them safe in an environment of security is very big on the heart of Disha Foundation.
I feel safe here because there are no boys. Our staff take care of us like a family member. They treat us like their own kids. So I like this hostel very much because there are different kinds of facilities like stitching class, English speaking class, computer class, cooking class, so many things.
In New Delhi, Disha Foundation supports St. Michael Hostel, which belongs to the Church of North India. 85 girls, all of whom are from economically weak areas, mostly orphans and semi-orphans, children of beggars, sex workers, and slum dwellers, find safe shelter here. It is here that they receive boarding, lodging, food, and school education.
I learn so many things. I learn stitching, English speaking, and etc. I love to do art and craft. I learned some new arts from this hostel, and I did so much fun here. I take good care from my staff.
Apart from this, they receive computer education, value education, education about health and hygiene. The senior girls are also given skill training of sewing, tailoring, beautician courses. The girls are also taught to feel responsible for those that are less fortunate.
In this hostel, I learned so many things like computer, English, stitching, beautician, cooking, value education, and etc.
Thank you for partnering with us in helping these girls grow into becoming world changers. Do come and visit us here in New Delhi sometime.